You know how important to have good photos of your book, but you need a lot of skills. You need to know how to use a Canva or Photoshop or Affinity Studio. You need to put a lot of effort to produce it. And to be honest, some of us just postpone it or not even create it. But what if you will have a tool to create a photo of your book in just one click? Watch our conversation in Royalty Guild, and maybe it will simplify your life a lot. Few months I think about Thomas, have you remember the website which give us the opportunity to flip the pages of a book?
Yes.
Because yeah, for A plus content, for video ads, and for a lot of different purpose, we need to have some video or at least possibility to render some scene with the book, to include it in some background or to give somebody. So it's located on the publisher tools. It's below of a freelancer library. It's named Paperback 3D Mockup.
Okay.
There are some for hardcover, but for paperback, I searched a lot and I can't find a really interesting tool. So you can upload cover and manuscript as a files, or in my case, my book is in the library here, so I just choose my book.
Okay.
And as you can see, you have your book, and you can do.
Oh, that's really good.
You can do whatever you want. You can put it here and watch it.
Yeah, that's
Well,
what I
awesome.
like. Slow
That's
page turnover, yeah.
That's nice. I'm just testing it live. Yeah, that's nice.
Yes. So and there are a third way to present a book like this. And again, you can even flip a book here.
Well, that's really good. I spent so much time looking for mockups for paperback.
We can use it with a transparent background. We can use it with the green screen, or and watch next. I hope it will go well.
Oh, oh, wow. Okay.
And watch.
Okay.
Okay. So, sorry, girl. Sorry.
Oh, nice. Ooh.
That's really good.
Yeah,
I just took a random image on my. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Oh, cool. Okay.
Okay. Because
do you have the pictures, like 4 pictures or something, or you create your own picture, or?
This girl was generated in a few seconds.
Yeah, generated. Yeah.
We can distill the reader avatar from book DNA very precisely. And next, we can use this reader avatar to generate the image with the book. And we can
what is the length limit of these videos, Igor? I saw that video you posted today, that was around 15 seconds or so. Is that the total, or?
It's up to you, because how I did it. In Windows, it's a print screen, switch to the video, and you can make it for minutes, 2 minutes, as you wish. There are no limits how book will be presented. You can put it on a table, you can give it to somebody's hand, you can do whatever you want. I believe now the question of production of mockups is solved. I really hope this conversation was useful for you and simplified your life. So now it's a good time to give us a thumbs up, join our school community Royalty Guild, and see you in the next time.